M&A work involves navigating a vast library of agreements, playbooks, and more, and success depends on being able to quickly find and act on the right content. With Box Hubs, all of that material is organized in one secure workspace, like model agreements, clause libraries, checklists, client templates, and so much more, like we have here. Now, with Box AI, legal teams can work directly in the hub to ask, show me all the SPAs in this hub that include a change of control provision. Box AI searches across the hub, surfaces the right agreements, and even highlights the exact clause citations, turning a complex content search into clear, actionable insights. Next, a legal analyst can open a specific NDA and automatically capture key metadata with Box AI extract agents, like party names, effective dates, and more. They can even define custom fields, such as signature status, and apply them instantly. Together, Box Hubs, Box AI, and extract agents streamline legal workflows, enabling faster discovery, structured metadata capture, and greater consistency, all in one secure place.